So what it is that I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a local Starbucks and I'm going to tag down and try to find a stranger, kind of like we did last time, and I'm going to teach them about the stock market. But instead of just teaching them about the stock market, I'm going to allow them to place a trade in my Robinhood account, and whatever money that they make off of that account, I'll give it to them cash. Altogether, I feel like, you know, me being there, it shouldn't be too difficult for us to, you know, again, manage our risk, identify potential, and then, you know, lock it in. Alrighty, we are here. So I'm gonna go ahead and park real quick. We're right in front of Starbucks and market is about to open in 1 minute. Alright guys, so we are here. Let's see. I kind of want to stay outside. Oh, it's awkward. Can't vlog in public. Oh, what the heck? Dude, what's up?
That's good, brother.
How you doing? What are you up to?
Good, man. What's going on with you? What are you doing over here?
Dude, alright. I know this is gonna sound super weird. Hold on. We're trying to do like a Robinhood challenge where I teach someone how to trade in like 15 minutes and then we place the trade for them.
Okay.
Do you have the Robinhood app?
Yeah, I think so.
What, you do?
Yeah.
Go. Let's do it.
Let's see.
That's beast. Alright guys, so this even works out even better. This is my friend Devin. We go to ASU together. So one of the coolest, one of the things that I'm doing is I was supposed to come up and meet up with a stranger and just talk to them about the stock market, what I see value in, what they see value in, break down a stock, and then we place a trade right then and there. So you have money in this account, right? Dude,
yeah.
Just what a baller, bro. This guy has $1,000 in his Robinhood account. Let's go. Never mind, he doesn't have a free stock. Alright, so if you don't mind, I'll go ahead and move that real quick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break down some stocks for you. We're gonna identify some potential, and then we'll go from there.
Let's make some money.
Let's do it. Alright, boom. You guys should be able to see everything that is on my screen. And it looks like LINU just had a really solid rally. We caught the break at $2, but it moved a little bit too quick, so we weren't able to take advantage of it on his Robinhood account. Something that I see here is that it's trying to build a support at $2.40, built a new resistance at $2.60. So that alone, I mean, is 10% potential, a little bit less than 10%. And there it goes, it's at $2.50, but I feel like we're pretty high when it comes down to the overall price point for LINU. So this $2.50, if you can see, was an old support, which becomes a new resistance. It hit lows of $2.27, so had a pretty solid sell-off. It's like it was trading at $2.50, right? So we're waiting for the sell-off around $2.32. Okay. I just have two dot and then put, leave the last 2 decimal points open. So when it comes down to actually, placing the trade, you can put it and then just swipe up on the Robinhood account.
What's the fastest way you can calculate how many shares you can buy, or does it do it for you?
It does it for you, yeah. You click on the little number of shares, and then it tells you how many you can buy at that exact price point. So that's pretty easy.
That's cool.
Let's give it 1 second.
Yeah, I think I should.
Can you do it?
No, not yet. 229. Here we go.
Wait. All right, go for it.
228.
Go. You have to go quick. Swipe up. All right, so we're right at the EMA. Okay, so it's at 226. Overall, we have the purple VWAP at 220. So
shares? 628. Okay, cool.
So have your order ready.
Like that, right?
Yeah. Click limit order.
Limit order.
Actually, just wait. So we're at 230. So what price did it get filled at?
Shit.
Well, don't exit out. Click review, because you have to be quick. Robinhood sucks at this, really. So 230, it pumped up to 240 again. If we can get any pump higher than 240, I think you got filled at 228. So we're gonna have to double check. You got filled at 223.
No, on 228, 229.
Okay. So 233.
Dude, Robinhood takes forever to react to.
Yeah. So we want to make
Real
sure
time.
that we're quick. Would you be happy from 228?
If I can get to 240.
40?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and I think that we can hit 240. So just in case it does end up going, click edit real quick. Click
Stop
order
loss.
types. No. Order types. Limit. Click 2.39.
Okay. Okay.
Go. And then limit order, swipe up. Go, review order.
It's going back down.
What are you doing?
Sale and pending.
Yeah, because you have the orders on the sale. Okay. Your purchase price average cost is $228. You went with 1,400.
Yeah.
All right.
How many, what did I have to get filled in?
Yeah, let's not have. How about we'll go here. So just have this ready, and then we'll see. So right now we have your orders ready, and we need to see how it plays out. So I'm gonna hold it. It looks like it's kind of trying to flatline here. It's trying to consolidate. My goodness. Fart machine. The reason why is it's going to have it marked as oversold, and there it goes. That's the MACD indicator. Give it 1 second. 215, 219. There we go. We got one solid green, and we just need to push above 220. You don't have any more shares that you can buy, right? You
No.
used all your.
Yeah.
Okay.
I went all in. Here we go. I'm cool.
There we go. 221,
breaking even.
222.
Come on, Lulu.
Give it 1 second. So we're pumping back up, and it should rally right here. So it should rally, and watch for the break. And when it breaks anything above, I think, like 233,
Right.
I would say lock it in. I mean,
Probably
you're
just-
up, like you're break even right now. So 229,
Right,
230,
right.
230, 233. See if we can get a push, and you're up right now. You're up right now. This is all profit, bro. This is all profit. This is a huge green candle.
Sell it.
And give it 1 second. Do you feel comfortable? Would you feel comfortable selling it now?
I'm cool with it. I don't care really, either way. Below
So,
228, above
Right now it's at 234. Would you sell that?
230.
Well, that's profit. It literally had people buying at 233. Hey, but that's profit. So good job on that. How much profit is that? That's like 1%.
We'll find out. Let's take a look here.
Yeah, it's 1.33%.
Did it
So,
get filled or
Yeah, you got filled. So
$12? Right? Or no?
really, yeah. But it should have been more because you sold. Okay, but
Ooh, that's good though. Look, it's going back down to
yeah, no, you did good. But if you would have sold, you sold that market with a market order. You should have sold with a limit order because with a limit
Oh,
order,
I see.
yeah,
They would have locked it in right at that number.
yeah, because I saw buyers at $2.33. So
Oh, where do you see that at?
right here. So this is
Okay.
level 2. So you have access to people where they're buying and where they're selling.
Right.
And there was buyers at 233. So you selling at like the market price. I don't know, but it got filled at you're using Robinhood and they're not the best for getting
Sure.
filled at exact price points. But if anything, that should start consolidating and start pushing up.
These gains, 2 days, only made 2 trades, up 2.5%.
Yeah, dude.
It takes S&P like 3 months to get there. It's crazy.
So we have buyers here at 221 and then sellers here at 224. So it's really starting to show signs of that it's starting to just hold very well. So one of two things can happen. It will break 221 and then just see a huge downward trend and make its way back down to like the purple golden VWAP.
Okay.
Or it will start pumping back up, the volume will start to increase, and then we can start seeing an increase back up to 240. So if we start seeing the confirmation of the increase, then that's when we can make the decision, okay, well, let's invest. Let's invest in it. So the EMA line is right here. We're still waiting on it to react the way that we expect it to. But until then, we'll just try to wait patiently and see if anything can play out.
Sweet. Since this is one with the most movement right now, do you see any others that you're looking at besides GNC?
Well,
or just pretty much?
Yeah, I mean, for day trades themselves and that offer like pretty solid potential, those are the ones that I see at the moment. So it looks like LINU is trying to, volume is like dead though, so.
I'd be comfortable at like 210, I would say. Maybe.
There's no maybe, you have to.
Okay.
Your order takes a day and a half to fill.
The new order place.
So click done.
Wait, how many shares? 750 shares. Right?
Yeah, still a little bit over 1,000. So we could have put, so right now I think, just be patient. So
should just leave it.
I think you should just leave it at 220 and let it be. And if you get filled, great. If not, then no. So it's at 222 now. So we have buyers at 222 and sellers at 225. So 750, 220. I don't think we should get filled at 225. So you click order types.
Is that what it is?
Well, no, there's buyers at 222, but sellers are at 223. So just because there's buyers at that price point doesn't mean really anything.
Got it.
So sometimes there's a spread where there's buyers at 221 and sellers at like 230, and the market price will reflect a medium of that. You bought in with the market price again?
Where am I at?
At 221.
Come on, give me the 225.
Are you doing market sell?
Yeah.
No, remember we don't do market sell. So order types.
Order type.
Limit. And then you put 2 dot, and then you just leave it there. And you just wait for it. You could have gotten filled at 220 or 219.
I have a good feeling about this one.
Okay.
That's it.
You know what I have to say about your feelings? Watch it go up to 250, you're gonna be kicking yourself in. No, you're doing good though. That's definitely what we want to do.
I think that helps. I believe in this company, honestly.
What are they?
It's a technology group.
Stupid! You're reading their ticker. Oh my goodness. Guys, look. It's saying that it's at 224, 225. And as you guys can see, I have access to real-time quotes that are not delayed. Bro, it sold your order.
Did it? What? Did it actually initiate?
Yeah, so he sold his order.
Alright. 228. There he goes. It's picking back up.
Wow.
Dude, it's the internet connection.
So never again are we gonna come to. Alright guys, and just like that, we are done. So I want to give another shout out again to Devin for joining us today on his first Robinhood trade.
Thanks, man. It's been a blast. Glad I'm in the green.
Yep.
Let's go.
What's going on, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It didn't play out exactly like we planned. Obviously, we received technical difficulties with being connected to the Starbucks Wi-Fi, so that was very unfortunate. But altogether, I planned it out to be to complete strangers. Obviously, Devin was not a complete stranger. He was a friend that I've had before. But it was very fortunate that I actually ended up, just bumping into him. So it played out pretty well, I think, for our first runs, but I would like to continue to do this and to see that the positive impact that I can have on individuals that are not experienced at all in the stock market. That would only lead by example and letting you guys know that, my techniques and the strategies that we use, like, live in real time, and not just for myself, but someone that's completely not experienced, I can give you guys a better understanding on, how I can assist them to have an understanding of the stock market. Therefore, hopefully you can have a better understanding on how to successfully invest
invest in the stock market. So you guys feel free to take a look around in my YouTube channel. You can see that I have a little bit over 500 videos. If that's a little overwhelming for you and you're a new trader and want to get a better understanding on how to day trade and swing trade successfully, click on the first link in the description and that will guide you over to my lesson library. It's something that I actually just launched, and for the first 300 people that sign up, I will be offering a mentorship for you specifically. Other than that, it offers a little bit over 5 hours of structured content, therefore giving you a better understanding on from the very basics to the very mechanics of what it is that you need to understand in my approach to be successful in the stock market. So I hope that that can guide you in the right direction, and I hope you guys can take the first step to successfully investing in the stock market. Altogether, regardless of what market you see value in, continue working hard and seeing value in the markets that you choose to invest in, and let your passion be what drives you in your success. Regardless if you guys choose to subscribe to my YouTube channel or to be a part of my free Facebook group with over 49,000 members, do what it is that you love and be driven by your passion. You guys don't need to be a part of all these type of networking groups. All we're here to do is to guide you in the right direction. The only reason that I charge a little bit for the mentorship program is obviously because I'm dedicating time out of my day to specifically focus and guide you in the right direction. So for those that see value in that, great. For those that don't, I do have a bunch of free videos on YouTube. It just might take a little bit longer for you to have a better understanding on how to be successful in the stock market. But again, time is money, and for those that are willing to pay for it, I do have a service that is structured just for you. So thank you guys again for everything that you guys do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I can continue making this content that you guys find somewhat unique and effective. So I hope that I can continue making videos that are both unique and effective. So again, thank you guys again. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.